Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 1. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play the introduction to the Greatest Showman, learn how to sing Rewrite the Stars and perform them both together. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing Rewrite the Stars.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Hello, it's Mr. Tabor here, one of the brass teachers from the County Music Service. Once you've got your instrument out and put together, and you've got yourself in a good position to play, we are going to start to learn the notes we need for the Greatest Showman. In the Greatest Showman, there are some new notes that you need to learn. Most of these notes are called sharps and use a symbol very similar to a hashtag. In music notation, a sharp raises the pitch of a note by a half step called a semitone. If you can think of a keyboard, sharp notes tend to be the black keys sitting in between the white keys. Copy me playing the new notes that you will need as long 4-beat notes. Be careful with your pitching. I will tell you the fingering or the slide position before I play each note. Low B, second valve or second position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
C sharp, all 3 valves or 7th position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
D sharp, 2nd and 3rd valves or 5th position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A note that you already know, E, 1st and 2nd valves or 4th position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then a high note leading lots of air, fast air, G sharp, 2nd and 3rd valves or 5th position.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
If you look a little further into the video, you will see some diagrams which will show you the valve positions or the slide positions so that you can check your valves and slides are in the correct place. In this week's instrumental section of The Greatest Showman, we have a rhythm to learn. The rhythm is going to be played 6 times. The rhythm uses some very quick notes called semiquavers, so we will need to use our tongue to get really good clarity with our sound. I'm going to clap the rhythm, then buzz it on my mouthpiece, and then we'll play it on the 5 notes that we use to warm up with. Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
low B.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
C sharp.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
D sharp.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
E.
1, 2, 3, 4.
G sharp.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Once you have got used to playing this rhythm on a single note, you will see that you have to change notes in the rhythm when you go to play the piece. Practice the single note rhythms lots of times by stopping the video and replaying. You are now ready to move on.
This shows you how to play all the notes you'll need for all three instrumental sections of this piece. Some of these may be brand new to you, although don't panic. The first session only uses 2 of these notes. Remember that you can pause and rewind the video to come back to this at any point if you need a reminder. Now we're going to learn the first instrumental section, which is the same musical phrase played 6 times in a row. You will also notice that there are some notes that have cross note heads rather than the usual note heads you're used to seeing. At this point you need to stamp your foot, like it shows in the video. On the 6th time through, don't do the last 2 stamps. This is when you need to get ready to sing. Listen and watch on the first time through, then you can have a go. You will hear 4 beats on the drums as you're counting. Now you can have a go. Now we're going to put together everything we've done in this session. First of all, we're going to play the first instrumental section, then we're going to sing Rewrite the Stars. Are you ready?
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for The Greatest Showman Part 2 coming soon.